My father-in-law paid $3,000 to work with a lawyer to prepare an estate plan more than 25 years ago. And yet the next thing you know, after his death, we're stuck in the probate court and dealing with his ex-wife. These were the exact things that he thought he had paid to protect us from. So what happened? Was this malpractice? Well, it turns out when I went to work at one of the best law firms in the country doing estate planning for people like Warren Buffett and the partners at Charlie Munger's law firm, it turns out it wasn't malpractice, it was common practice. See, his estate plan was just like the plans created by that law firm and the law firm that I worked for, the best law firm in the country, or at least one of them. It was a one-size-fits-all plan, like most lawyers and even legal insurance plans provide. Here's the worst part about it. My father-in-law would have paid more to keep us out of court and from dealing with his ex-wife, but he thought his lawyer had it handled. Turns out he didn't. My father-in-law's assets were not inventoried. In fact, there's still some listed in the Florida State Department of Unclaimed Property that we can't get access to. They weren't titled properly when he died, and his plan had never been updated after he created it. He took home his set of documents, he put his binder on a shelf, never looked at it again, and his lawyer never invited him to come back, have it reviewed and updated. It is an all too common problem. Families like yours get left with an expensive mess that could easily be avoided with a little more foresight, understanding, the heart-centered counsel, and continued guidance of an advisor who has the mind of a lawyer and the heart of a teacher. And that is why I created Personal Family Lawyer.